The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the integrated production of carboxylated thermally stable cellulose nanocrystals with cellulose nanofibrils from cellulosic feedstock using solid dicarboxylic acids with easy acid recovery.
This method is to help us answer the question how to produce renewable and cellulose-based nanomaterials. The main advantages of this technique is that the resultant cellulose nanomaterials are highly thermostable, carboxylated, and the acid used can be easily recycled, therefore to achieve environmental sustainability.
To begin the procedure, place 40 milliliters of deionized water and a magnetic stir bar into a 3-neck round-bottomed flask. Heat the water to 85 degrees Celsius with a liquid glycerol bath. Then add 60 grams of anhydrous maleic acid to the flask and stir until completely dissolved to obtain a 60 weight % maleic acid solution. Heat the solution to 100 degrees Celsius while stirring. Then add 10 grams of oven-dried bleached eucalyptus kraft pulp and stir the mixture for 1 hour to hydrolyze the pulp. During hydrolysis, prepare a vacuum filtration flask and Buchner funnel with filter paper. Then add 160 milliliters of 80 degrees Celsius DI water to the reaction flask to terminate hydrolysis. After an hour has elapsed, take a 2 milliliter aliquot of the acid hydrolysate for concentration analysis.